So you're supposed to have 4 tabs. One here, 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 and here. And they're supposed to stick out. You're supposed to pull them, and you can pull it out. Well, this one, all 4 are busted off. So I'm going to take a little screwdriver and see if I can't get this to work. Pop those up. There we go. Now we got something. Perfect. There's the old one. That should just slide right out. Ugh, nasty. Nasty. Well, there it is. It definitely was doing its job. Ugh. Now the new one should just slide right in. There we go. That cover. In. These will go in. And just turn them clockwise. Easy as that. You can really see how dirty that is. I don't know what the heck that is.